The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County in north-central Ohio, central Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Lake County in northeastern Ohio, northern Lorain County in north-central Ohio, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 18 miles northwest of Fairport Harbor to 14 miles north of Lakewood to 6 miles west of western Vermilion, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Lorain, Elyria, Painesville, Willow Wick, Vermilion, Western Vermilion, Chardon, Fairport Harbor, Parma, Lakewood, Euclid, Mentor, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Solon, and Avon Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.